Hi friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if you are unable to install Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you are getting this kind of error message, Windows cannot be installed on drive 0, partition 1 or maybe partition 2 or 3. In this video, I will show you a solution to fix this issue. So first, cut this window, click on this cross icon to cut this window, then click on yes to quit. Now you have to press Shift key and F10 key together. In case your Shift key and F10 key are not working, try to use Shift key, Fn key plus F10 key together to open command prompt. So this is the command prompt. Now you have to type few commands. So the first command is disk part. Type this command, then press enter. Now wait for few seconds. Now type the next command, list space disk. Type this command, then press enter. So as you can see, this is my hard disk of 120 GB and this is my hard disk number. So the number is 0. Now type the next command, select space disk space. Now type your disk number. So my disk number is 0. So type 0, then press enter. Now type the next command, clean. And one more important thing, that in this process all the data in your hard disk will be removed, will be totally deleted to fix this issue. So in case you have any important data in your hard disk, please take the data backup first. Now continue the process, type clean, then press enter. So as you can see, this part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now type exit, press enter. Now type exit again, press enter. That's it. Now click on this install now option. Select the edition. So I will go for this edition. Click on next. I accept, then click on next. Now select the second option, custom. So as you can see, the hard disk is totally deleted. Now the hard disk is in unallocated space. Select the hard disk, then click on new to create a partition. So I will create a partition of 80 GB, then click on apply. So the partition has been created. Now select the second unallocated space, then click on new, then click on apply. So two partitions are created. Now select the first partition, then click on next to install Windows 10. So this is all for the video. Thank you.